రామానుజదయా పాత్రం ஞானவைராக்கியபூஷணம் ஸ்ரீமத் வெங்கடநாதாரியம் வந்தே வேதாந்ததேசிகம் சீரொன்று தூப்புல் திருவேங்கடமுடையான் பாரொன்றுச் சொன்ன பழமொழியுள் ஓரொன்று தானே அமையாதோ தாரணியில் வாழ்வார்க்கு வானேரப் போமளவும் வாழ்வே. Namo Narayana. We have been immersing ourselves in the most beautiful Tamil Prabandhams of Amrita Ranjani Pasurams. We have covered so far 34 Pasurams. Today is the 35th Pasuram. This also appears and it is the last of the final of the Dvaya Adhikaram of Ragasatraya Cholakam, the Childray Ragasyam. For most of the Childray Ragasyams, Swami Desikan has given the introduction or the summary slokam, summary Pasurams in Sanskrit or and Tamil. So those Tamil Pasurams are compiled into this Amrita Ranjani Prabandham. There are 39 verses. So now we are in the 35th Pasuram of Amrita Ranjani in Dvaya Adhikaram, the final Pasuram. It talks about the post-Prapatti life after Sharanagati, how one should behave. That's what is talked about. Tirumal Adiyanai சேர்ந்து திகழ்ந்த அடிமை பெற திரு நாரணன் சரண்தின் சரணாகத் துணிந்து அடைவோர் ஒரு நாள் உரைக்க உயிர் தரும் மந்திரம் ஓதிய நாம் வருநாள் பழுதற்று வாழும் வகையதில் மன்னுவமே. That's all. Here, because of Sadacharya Kataksham, we have become dhanyar. We are blessed, and we have been blessed to place our protection, our Atma, and the palan of that protection at the lotus feet of Sriman Narayana through our Acharya, through our Sadacharya. Our Acharyas have resorted to the lotus feet of Sriyapati, the twin feet of Sriyapati, with great, immense, unconditional faith, Mahavishwasam. They have taught us the life-giving Dvaya Mantra. They have initiated with us. They have explained us the esoteric divine meanings of the Dvaya Mantra, and we have placed our soul at the lotus feet and performed Prapatti. Now, our Acharyas committed to the sacred feet of the Lord as Upayam and Palan. They have blessed us with Upadesham on Dvaya Mantra. And hence, we are happy and we have achieved, we have gained the boon of living with freedom. Now that we have placed our Bharam at the feet of Sriman Narayana through our Sadacharyan, through Acharya Nishtai, we have performed Prapatti. We are contemplating on Dvaya Mantra, which is taught to us by our Acharyan, which has facilitated us as the Upayam, as well as the Artha Anusandhanam itself is so sweet, and we are living with freedom, Nirbharo Nirbhayosmi, no Bharam, no Bhayam, and we are living with freedom from Ahankaram, Mamakarams in the coming days after Prapatti till the end of this life. Varunal Paludatru Varum Vagayadil Mannuvame. Mannuvame means Stira Prashtar. We are firmly steadfast in that prakaram, in that conduct of life in future from this time onwards. By contemplating and uttering the mantra Ratnam Dvayam, that Perumal is the Jagat Pranan, Jagat Karanan and Jagat Rakshakan, and he is the one who blessed us with this Dvaya Mantram through our Sadacharya, and hence we have uttered this Dvaya Mantram at the time of Sharanagati through our Acharyan while placing our Atma at the lotus feet of Sriman Narayana, giving back to him what it originally belongs to Sriman Narayana. and hence hereafter we would contemplate on Dvaya Mantram and be living with freedom from Ahankara Mamakaram. That's essentially the meaning of this sloka. And Swami Emperumanar also in Sharanagati Gadyam says how a Krita Krityan, the one who has done what is required to be done, should be thinking in these words. Ata tvam tatvato majnana darshana praptishu nishamshaya sukhamashva. So, Lord Sri Ranganathan Namperumal is assuring Ramanuja, saying that, so having absolutely no doubt as regards the attainment of my knowledge, my vision, my attainment, rest in peace, Ramanuja, Namperumal tells Ramanuja, which means the significance of this small one-liner, atatvam tatvato majnana darshana praptishu nishamshaya sukhamasva. Having no doubt on my knowledge, on my vision, on my attainment, rest in peace. Don't have any doubt. Ma suchaha, do not lament anymore. The samsari chetana, the one who is in the samsaric ocean, who was revolving in this world like us, from each one of us, from birth to birth, on account of the wrath of the Lord, anger of the Lord, caused by the transgression of His command, going against the Sastric injunctions. We are blessed to have with the compassionate glances of Perumal due to some unintentional, unknown sugritam deed that we committed. We are getting the kataksham of a virtuous acharya on account of the grace of Perumal, on account of the daya of Perumal. Some compassion, nirhetuka kripai, waiting for an opportunity to redeem humanity. He is waiting. So he is just taking some unintentional work, deed, Nama Sankirtanam as a vyajyam, as an excuse to bless us with the Sadacharya Kataksham. This fact of performing Sharanagati at the feet of Lord by uttering the words of Sharanagati as taught to us by the Acharyan is most effective in awakening the daya and grace of Perumal. And on account of this, it causes immense pleasure of Perumal. It removes all the displeasure of Perumal. The displeasure has been removed, and Perumal, who is capable of transforming the migrating soul, will surely protect us on his account, on his own account, on his own accord, on his own sankalpam. So placing full confidence in Perumal, thus you be without fear whatsoever. This is the essence of statement. Praptishu nishamsaya sukhamasva. This is essentially the essence of statement which Perumal says, atatvam tatvato majnana darshana praptishu nishamsaya sukhamasva, which is essentially here, Varunal Paduthatru Vazhum Vagayadil Mannuvame. The future will be fruitful and we can achieve large service by means of the Dvaya Mantram. We can be living in complete freedom from Ahankara Mamakaram in the coming days. Kavitarkika Simhaya Kalyana Gunashaline Srimate Venkateshaya Vedanta Gurave Namaha. Adiyen. Dhanyosmi.